In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in LibreOffice Writer. By the end, you'll be able to add a clean, well-sized table to your document in just a few clicks and save your work with the right settings for sharing. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer. You can open a new blank document or continue in an existing one. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the table to appear, because the table will be inserted at that point in your document. Next, look toward the top of the window for the standard toolbar. This is the strip of icons directly under the menu bar. Find the table icon. It looks like a small grid. Depending on your setup, it might be labeled Insert Table when you hover over it. This is the quickest way to build a table without opening a separate dialog. Click the small down arrow next to that grid icon to open the selection grid. The arrow is important because it reveals the sizing panel. You'll see a matrix of tiny squares that represent rows and columns. This view lets you preview the size before you insert anything. Now, drag your mouse across the grid to choose how large the table should be, up to 15 rows by 10 columns. As you move, the highlight updates, and you'll see the row and column count displayed, so you always know the exact size you're selecting. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. You can add or delete rows and columns after the table is inserted, and you can adjust column widths by dragging the borders. When the right size is highlighted, click the last cell in your selection. Writer instantly inserts the table into your document at the cursor position. You can start typing right away. Press Tab to move to the next cell. Shift+Tab to go back, and use the arrow keys for precise movement. If your table looks a bit wide or narrow, hover near a border until the resize cursor appears and drag to fine-tune the layout. Finally, click Save. If a Confirm File Format message appears, choose Use Word 2010 to 365 format. This ensures the document and your new table will open cleanly for people using Microsoft Word, which is helpful for sharing and collaboration. If you don't see the prompt, just continue saving normally and keep working. That's it. Launch Writer. Use the table icons grid to pick your size, click to insert and save with the recommended format if prompted. Practice this a couple of times and it'll become second nature.